Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make tofu from scratch and few creative ways you can spice it up. So to make tofu, you'll need soy milk. So first, get some soybeans, clean them thoroughly and soak for about 8 hours or overnight. This is the next day. Discard the soaking water and replace it with clean one. Now wrap the beans to remove the hulls and repeat the process until you have most of the hulls out. Rinse the beans with clean water, discard that and go ahead and blend into a slurry. To do this, transfer a few portions to a blender, add enough water and blend until smooth. Now pour the blended mixture into a saucepan and repeat the process until you have all the beans blended. Once you are done, boil that for about 15 minutes to get rid of the beany smell. While at it, you will need to stir continuously to make sure it doesn't boil over. After 15 minutes, take it off the heat source, allow the mixture to cool for a while and transfer it into a cheesecloth. Squeeze out all the milk, leaving the pulp behind. Once that is done, transfer the milk into another saucepan and heat it up until it's about to boil. Soy milk can easily burn at the bottom, so make sure you are stirring occasionally to avoid that. Once the milk is about to boil, turn off the heat source, take off the skin from the surface and add in your coagulant. So here I'm using 6 tablespoons of lemon, which I've diluted with 4 tablespoons of water. You can use vinegar or any coagulant of choice and the result will be the same. Stir the milk for a while and you see curds forming almost immediately. Let it sit for about 10 minutes for the curds to completely form. In the meantime, prepare a sieve and line it with a cheesecloth or chiffon cloth. Or you can improvise like I did with this plastic container. Just make a few holes at the bottom to allow the water to drain through. As you can see, the curds have formed very well and separated from the liquid. If yours is still milky or cloudy, add a few coagulant and stir that in. Now transfer the soybean curds and the liquid into the improvised press. Cover with the remaining cloth and press the curds down with some heavy objects to force the excess liquid out. Leave it for about an hour to allow the liquid to drain. For a firm tofu, the longer you allow the liquid drain, the better. After a few hours of resting, this is what we have. Cut these into preferred sizes and store in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Or enjoy them almost immediately. But before we enjoy this protein goodness, let me show you ways you can spice up your tofu and elevate its taste. So the first method is by simply adding all your spices into your soybean curds before pressing out the liquid. With this method, you have a ready-made tofu at the end and the only thing left will be adding it to your cooking. With the second method, you soak the tofu in a spice solution. The choice of spices will depend on you or what you have available. So here, I'm using powdered pepper, ginger and garlic powder and salt. I'm going to dilute this with water and stir that for a while. Next, I'll transfer the tofu chunks into the spice solution and allow that to rest for a few hours or overnight. So the longer it stays in the solution, the juicier it will become. With the last method, the tofu is spiced after frying or cooking, or in the kebab style, spiced during the grilling process. So I fry some tofu, and to spice it, I'll add this to my homemade granola spice and enjoy with it. I hope this video was helpful. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section which method you prefer. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.